Leaked photos of the Pixel 10a have surfaced online and they reveal something surprising. At first glance, this phone looked like it would be just another quiet update in Google's mid-range lineup. Expectations were low, especially since early rumors suggested it would look almost identical to the previous Pixel 9a. But the latest leaked images are changing the conversation, and there might actually be one major reason why people will start paying attention. The new leak comes from well-known tipster Evan Blass, and the images show the Pixel 10a in full detail. The phone appears in 4 color options, each with its own personality. There is Berry, which is a bright and bold red shade. Then Fog, a calm greenish-gray color. Lavender brings a soft bluish-purple tone, while Obsidian keeps things classic with black. Among all these options, the Berry color is clearly the one stealing the spotlight. It's bright, fresh, and far more eye-catching than what is usually seen in budget or mid-range phones. Color can play a huge role in how a device is received, and recent smartphone trends show that a unique finish can actually boost sales. In a market where most phones look similar, the right color can instantly stand out. Design-wise, the Pixel 10a looks very close to the Pixel 9a, but there is one noticeable change. The camera cutout no longer has a raised lip. Instead, the camera lenses now sit completely flush with the back panel. This makes the device look cleaner and more modern. It also means the lenses may be slightly better protected since nothing is sticking out. While this change alone may not convince buyers, it does give the phone a more refined look. Another small but important detail from the leak is the included accessories. The box is expected to include a USB-C to USB-C cable and a SIM ejector tool. This strongly suggests that the Pixel 10a will still keep a physical SIM card slot. That could be good news for users who prefer traditional SIM cards instead of going fully eSIM, especially in regions where eSIM adoption is still limited. Despite the attractive new color and the cleaner camera design, the Pixel 10a might still feel like a low-key upgrade overall. One reason is the thick bezels shown in the leaked images. In 2026, slim bezels have become the standard even in mid-range phones, so thicker borders may make the device look slightly outdated compared to competitors. Under the hood, rumors suggest that the specs will be very similar to the Pixel 9a. The phone is expected to feature a 6.3-inch display along with a dual-camera setup featuring 48-megapixel and 13-megapixel sensors. Storage is likely to start at 128GB with at least 8GB of RAM, and the battery capacity could remain at 5100 mAh. These are solid numbers for a mid-tier device, but they do not bring anything truly new to the table. One of the biggest talking points is the processor. Traditionally, Google's A-series phones used the same chip as the flagship models, just at a lower price. This year, that tradition might be ending. Instead of getting the new Tensor G5 expected in the Pixel 10 lineup, the Pixel 10a is rumored to use the older Tensor G4 chip, the same one found in the Pixel 9a. Reports suggest it could be slightly overclocked for a small performance boost, but it still won't match the power of the flagship models. This decision raises questions about Google's direction with the A-series lineup. These phones were once known for delivering flagship-level performance at a more affordable price. If the hardware gap between the mid-range and premium models continues to grow, the value proposition becomes less clear. There are some small improvements rumored as well. The Pixel 10a might be slightly shorter, thicker, and narrower compared to the Pixel 9a. The display could also become brighter, potentially reaching up to 2,000 nits. That would make the screen easier to see outdoors and improve the overall viewing experience. However, these changes still feel more like refinements rather than major upgrades. Pricing remains uncertain. Some leaks suggest the phone will keep the same starting price of $499. Other sources claim it may become slightly cheaper, while some even warn about a possible price increase due to global memory costs and rising production expenses. If the price goes up without meaningful improvements, buyers may hesitate, especially when discounted Pixel 9 devices are still available. All of this leads to a bigger question: is Google slowly giving up on the A-series identity? Last year's Pixel 9a already received criticism for downgrading some camera features compared to the Pixel 8a. Now, with a less powerful chip compared to the main Pixel 10 lineup, the gap is becoming even more noticeable. With Google focusing more attention on its Pro models and expanding its premium lineup, the Pixel 10a may feel more like an afterthought rather than a headline product. Still, not everything is negative. Some users simply want a reliable phone with good battery life, clean software, and practical performance. For those buyers, the Pixel 10a might still make sense, especially if the price stays competitive. And for people who love unique and bold colors, the berry version could be the real selling point. The phone is expected to launch on February 18 and go on sale in the first week of March. Once it officially arrives, The real question will be whether style alone is enough to attract buyers in a crowded mid-range market filled with strong alternatives. Is the bold berry color enough to make the Pixel 10a stand out, or does it feel like too little too late? The answer will likely depend on pricing, real-world performance, and whether users still see value in the A series philosophy. If this breakdown was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more updates on the latest smartphone leaks, launches, and tech news.